Welcome to ToolsMet. Today we're reviewing a CNC machine that has become a popular choice on Amazon for woodworking, engraving, and small workshop projects. Right away, the solid metal frame stands out. It's designed to reduce vibration and improve cutting accuracy, which helps deliver clean and professional results. Whether you're working with wood, acrylic, plastic, or soft metals, this machine stays stable and performs consistently. In terms of performance, this CNC machine offers smooth and reliable operation. The precision stepper motors allow for accurate movement, making it ideal for detailed engravings and complex carving work. The spindle provides steady power even during longer sessions, while adjustable speed control lets you match the cutting speed to different materials with ease. Ease of use is another strong advantage. The setup process is simple, and the machine supports popular software like GRBL, Candle, and Lightburn. Even beginners can start creating projects quickly without a steep learning curve. This makes it a great option for hobbyists as well as small business owners. Some key highlights include a sturdy build, impressive accuracy, beginner-friendly operation, and excellent value for the price. The working area may feel limited for larger projects, and for heavy metal cutting, a spindle upgrade is recommended.